Is it too late to get started with your own print-on-demand shop on Redbubble or Merch by Amazon or any other print-on-demand platform out there? Is it too late in 2021? Well, I'm gonna answer this particular question in this video. If you're interested in that, well, let's get started with that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Global Art Magazine page channel, where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs and talking about the ways print-on-demand websites, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. Well guys, yes and no. Yes, it's too late to getting started in 2021, and no, it's not too late to get started in 2021. Well, let me tell you why I'm saying yes and no both. The first yes to this is that yes, it's too late to getting started with 2021 because the competition is growing daily. There are many artists, there are many designers who are coming on these platforms and selling their own designs, selling their own artwork. So competition is growing and no more designs, more products are uploaded each day on these platforms. So the competition is growing. So it's difficult to get your sale in the very beginning when you are completely new on these platforms and you don't know anything about it. So it's just a little bit difficult in the very beginning to get your first sale. But once you find that you started getting your first sale, then there is kind of like a snowball effect, and you would be getting your sale more, and each month it would be increasing slowly and slowly. So it's kind of like a snowball effect. So yes, it's difficult. Yes, it's too late to getting started in 2021 because the competition is growing huge and many people are coming on these platforms. And the second part of the question, that is a no, it isn't too late to starting with these print-on-demand websites. Well, let me tell you why I'm saying no, guys. Now guys, I'm going to tell you there is never too late to get started with any online business. Even if you are starting with your own YouTube channel, it's not too late. Even if you're starting with a KDP business or passive income online with your online business, whatever kind of stuff you are starting online, it's never too late to get started on these platforms because there are the more people who are actually buying online each year. Like if you go for the 2020, there was a pandemic and there was more people actually buying online rather than they were buying in the physical store. So the more people are coming on the online marketplaces and purchasing, so there are the new opportunities and the people are looking for new fresh goods, new different types of ideas, the unique designs, the unique artworks and all that. So it's never too late to get started with your own online business in 2021 or maybe in 2022 and so on. It's never too late. But guys, you need to stand out from the market. You need to stand out from the crowd. And how are you going to do it? By simply picking up one particular niche, whichever is your hobby, your style, or even if you want to go with the trends, go with the trends. If you don't want to go with the trend, then it's in evergreen niches. You can go for it. You can pick up a niche and you can start building up your portfolio. You can start building up your shop on these different print-on-demand websites. Now guys, there are many different websites: Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, Threadless, Spreadshirt, Society6, Cafe Press, Jazzle, Spreadshirt, I have already talked about. Then the Design by Humans, Displayed, the Design Hills. There are various different platforms on which you can sell your print-on-demand products, guys. So it's never too late to get started with that, but you need to have some sort of a strategy to get started with on these platforms right now, since the competition is growing huge and there are more people coming on the marketplace. So you need to stand out. You need to stand out from the marketplace. You need to have your strategy set into place to get the sales each month coming from these platforms. I think guys, you need to keep in mind, starting with these print-on-demand websites or starting with your own print-on-demand shop in 2021, you don't need to keep your eggs in one basket. You need to start getting your start getting your designs uploaded on various different platforms like the Redbubble, the TeePublic, the Merch by Amazon, the Spreadshirt, the Society6, and various different platforms. You need to start you need to start in all that. So because if one platform goes out of the corner, if one of your account gets terminated, you are not out of your business and you're still getting more. You are still earning money from your other print-on-demand shops online. So it's very important to don't keep your eggs in one basket. Now another tip, and I want to tell you, if you're getting started in 2021, I want to tell you guys is to on-site start with your own business apart from selling on these print-on-demand shop. Now you can start with your own print-on-demand shop on your own website by integrating it with the Printful or the Printify or the Guten. There are various different types of platforms out there on which you can integrate it with your own shop, with your own website, with your Shopify, with your Wix, or even if you're selling on the Gumroad, you can also connected with the Etsy if you're selling onto the Etsy. And there are various different websites out there like the Printful, the Printify, the Guten, the various different platform out there which you can integrate with your own shop and can sell your print-on-demand products online. And it's a kind of a thing that you're building your own business brand on your own website. So even if your print-on-demand shops on these third-party websites goes out of the corner, you have your business and you're running and you're still earning money from these online businesses. What I have for you is marketing and promotion. You can market and promote your own print-on-demand shop like Redbubble onto the Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube, Facebook or TikTok itself. You can market your own shop, your own store online, and can get more customers, can get more people coming onto your shop on these print-on-demand websites, and then can get more sales from it. And whenever you're getting more sales on these platforms, then they actually going to place your shop, place your designs on the top of the search engine so that you would be getting more organic traffic from these marketplaces. And also guys, another important way to stand out from these marketplaces is have to have a different type of style, starting with your own brand Instagram page and then linking your different print-on-demand shop onto that Instagram bio will be a great help for you if you are looking for starting with your own print-on-demand shop in 2021, because promotion and marketing will really going to help you a lot in standing out from the market and getting more traffic, more visitors onto your shop. Another important way to market is the Pinterest, guys. Pinterest is amazing because you don't need many followers, you don't need many people in the very beginning to get started with the Pinterest. You just need to pin your t-shirts or your print-on-demand shops products, or you can also pin other people's pins onto your board and make a good list of board on your Pinterest. And then once you are pinning daily on a daily basis like 15 to 20 pins or 10 to 15 pins daily, then you're gonna see that you'll be getting more monthly visitors each month coming onto the Pinterest. And it's really a amazing way to get shop visitors for your print-on-demand shop. So if you want to check out your Pinterest, how you want to promote your products onto the Pinterest, I've already made a video talking about it. You can check in the card section above, guys. But it's really an amazing ways to market it because you don't need many followers. You also don't need to go for the paid ads. You can use the organic strategy for the Pinterest because it's kind of like a search engine. It's not a social media type of a platform that where the engagement is going down. It's a kind of a search engine. People actually go into the Pinterest and search for any ideas, and when your product is related to that particular idea, then you're gonna be searchable on the Pinterest, and thereby you will be getting more monthly visitors each month coming onto your Pinterest profile, and in turn will be getting converted onto your website if you're selling your print-on-demand products on your website, or even if you're selling onto the Redbubble, TeePublic, or any other print-on-demand shop online. Suppose if you go for the TeePublic, on the TeePublic, not many artists are selling in comparison to the Redbubble. So you can sell on the TeePublic, you can open up a print-on-demand shop on the TeePublic, and you can sell on the Redbubble itself. But the Redbubble is getting the huge competition right now. There are many artists on the Redbubble, and in comparison to the TeePublic don't have that much artists, that much people selling onto the TeePublic right now. How you can do that? You can literally go onto these different print-on-demand websites and you can check out for any particular niche which you want to target it. Suppose if you want to target the animal niche, like related to the marine niche, you can literally go onto these different print-on-demand websites and type for the marine designs or marine niche, and you can look out for the search engine. You can look out for the search results, whatever coming onto that print-on-demand platform, and can see how many people are competing for that particular marine niche, and you can see from that only that whether this is a platform for you. Because if you're finding there is less people competing for that particular niche on that particular print-on-demand shop, then go for it. Open up a shop on that platform and start uploading the design on that particular niche on that platform, because there is less competition on that. If you're seeing the more competition, then go for the sub niches like which is having the less competition, and then target onto these platforms which is having the more search results and having the more competitors. So I hope you find today's videos useful. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you have any questions, any queries or anything like that. Again, guys, I'm telling all these things based on my own personal knowledge, my own personal experience so far with my own print-on-demand journey, which is I'm in the first year of my own print-on-demand journey. So I'm saying all these things based on my own personal experience and knowledge so far. It might be resonates with you, might not be resonates with you. Let me know in the comment section below if you find it useful. And that's it for today's videos, guys. See you for the next time. Take care, guys. Bye.